हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू योगबेला। आई एम प्रीति। आज है डे 5 ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस सीरीज एंड थीम है गोल सेटिंग। इट इज़ अ गाइडेड मेडिटेशन। किसी भी गोल को अचीव करने के लिए हमें चाहिए विजन एंड क्लैरिटी. Today's meditation will help you with that. So you can find a comfortable position for yourself. You can keep sitting in the same seated position, or you can lie down on your spine, or you can even take support of wall. तो फिर start करते हैं. Sit comfortably with your spine uplifted, shoulders rolled back and completely relaxed. Watch your breath. Relax your entire body. Consciously release tension from each part of your body. Starting from the top of your head, relax this area. Relax your forehead. Move down to your eyes, eyebrow center, then your nose, below the nose, upper lip, lower lip. Relax all facial muscles. Relax both the arms, torso, and your legs. Finally, relax your entire feet from the top near your ankle all the way down to your toes. Now scan your entire body from top to bottom and relax if you have tension in any area. Breathe slowly and deeply, counting down from 10 to 1. Now you are completely relaxed. Choose a specific goal you want to achieve. It can be related to health, fitness, family, relationship, career, or something you want to create. The more defined it is, clearer the end result will be. Now visualize the actions or steps you need to take to reach your goal. See yourself engaged in those activities and you are enjoying the process. See yourself in the state of flow, like you are enjoying all these action steps. How it feels, what can you see the physical sensations and the positive emotions you feel when you are engaged in these activities that are going to move you closer to the goal. Now let's move to the future, to when you have actually achieved your goal. Feel the joy and happiness coming. With this goal having achieved, what do you see? What colors? What shapes? Where are you? What are you wearing? What do you smell? Who is with you? Now that you have created the life you desired, visualize the changes occurring in your life after achieving your goal. It has positively impacted all the aspects of your life. Once you feel complete, come back to now with your eyes still closed. Think of the action steps you will take in the next week to move you closer to your goal. Take a few deep breaths. Bring your awareness back to your body. Hands at the back, grab opposite elbows. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, bend forward. Send your gratitudes to the universal energy, being thankful to the Mother Earth. Slowly come up, release your hands, rub your palms nicely, generate the heat, transfer this heat to that body part which you want to heal. For emotional strength, place palms on your chest. Once again, rub your palms. This time, cup your eyes. Looking straight into your palms, gently open your eyes. Palms to the chest center. Namaste. Thank you so much for your practice. After goal setting, now is the time to take action in that direction. Make sure that you do something every day which takes you closer to your goal. Kal hai day 6, theme I am alive. I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Namaste.